In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom for webinars. Hosting webinars through Zoom offers an efficient way to connect with your audience, whether they're colleagues, clients, or anyone in between. Let's walk through the process of setting up a webinar using Zoom so you can start engaging with your participants effectively and professionally. First, to get started, you're going to need to open up Zoom on your computer. If you're using a Windows device, this starts with pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. It's easy. Just locate the key with the Windows logo and give it a quick tap. With your Start menu open, move on to the next step, which is typing Zoom into the search bar. You should see the Zoom application pop up in the list of available programs. Click on it to open the application. Once opened, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Zoom interface if you haven't used it recently. Now, once you're in the Zoom application, direct your attention to the main menu and locate the Schedule button. You'll find this option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on Schedule to start setting up your new webinar. Scheduling your webinar in Zoom involves providing some key details. Begin by typing in the title of your webinar. It's important to make this title clear and descriptive so that your participants know exactly what to expect. Whether it's an exciting announcement or an informative session, the title sets the first impression. Next, you'll be entering the emails of your participants. Zoom allows you to invite attendees by adding their email addresses here, ensuring that they receive the necessary invites and details they'll need to join. Double-check those addresses to avoid any hiccups in sending invitations. Now it's time to specify when your webinar will occur. Choose the date that fits your schedule. Consider the time zone of your participants, especially if they're spread across different regions. This will ensure maximum attendance and avoid any unnecessary confusion. Finally, after you've selected the date, it's crucial to save your settings. You'll notice a Save button on this page. Click it to secure all the details you've meticulously entered. Saving confirms that your webinar is now scheduled and your participants will be notified according to the details you've provided. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled your webinar on Zoom. This straightforward process will ensure that your event is well organized and that your attendees have a seamless experience. By mastering these steps, you're well on your way to delivering impactful webinars on Zoom. Thank you for following along and feel free to reach out if you have any questions as you dive into your Zoom webinar journey.